Hey everybody. Welcome to our YouTube video where we're going to take you through our amazing CSS and HTML website project inspired by the enchanting world of forests and fantasy creatures.
Before we get started, we'd like to introduce ourselves. My name is Sidratul Chowdhury, and I was in charge of the second level.
My name is Yikai, and I'm in charge with the homepage and the last level.
My name is Kaleb Evoy and I was in charge of the first level and our conclusion page.
So we are proud to create a coding skill into this crafting and immersive experience with the three levels: a goblin, a minotaur, and the final boss, which is a dragon. It is a text-based adventure game with objective of navigate through the forest safely, strategically, and make our decision effectively deal with the monsters along the way.
We wanted to challenge ourselves by incorporating complex CSS stylings and HTML structures while keeping the user experience smooth and enjoyable. In our course, and of course, we aim to create a memorable journey through the Enchanted Forest, complete with unique challenges and surprises at every turn.
Now let's talk about the general requirements we set for ourselves at the beginning of the project. First, we needed to create and design a multi-level website with distinct themes for each level: a goblin, a minotaur, and dragon.
We needed to have visually appealing graphics and animations to bring the fantasy forest to life, while also creating an engaging storyline that unfolds as players progress through the game.
So each level should present unique obstacle and monsters encounter, and all levels should contain some sort of animation with CSS.
We had quite a few design key features that we couldn't keep out. One of them was interactive UI elements that respond to players' actions and choices. Without these, there would be no game to play, but also it allowed the users to make their own decisions, which made it a lot more interactive.
Another one of the key features was the clear and intuitive layout for text slash dialogue or dialogue boxes, buttons, and game menus. These allowed for the game to be understood very easily to the user and led to no confusion, which is very important in a game like this.
So there was also amazing storytelling through the dialogue, character interactions, and descriptive texts, which keeps the users hooked up and want to play more. So there are also multiple options for each level, so the game can be played multiple times without the same outcome, which makes it a lot more fun.
So now this right here is how our levels were generally formatted. There is a text bar with the choices for users and a picture of the monster above it. Upon choosing an option, the screen will change, but will keep the same general format.
So the pseudocode for the transformations, transitions, and animations are as followed. For the home page, we utilized transformations and adjusted the div transparency to seamlessly reveal the level choices and credits, which the corresponding button is when the corresponding button is selected.
So for the first two levels, we incorporated multiple animation for the smooth transitions and option performance, ensuring players are fully immersive in the unfolding plot.
And for the final level, we use extensive transitions to seamlessly integrate all options into a single page, providing a cohesive and immersive gaming experience from start to finish.
So now we did run into some problem along the way. Like one of the problem is we need to create interaction between the buttons and the features, but we cannot use JavaScript, which is a lot harder to implicate. We later found out we can just use post to code class, like class target or class ID targets to do such a thing.
Another issue we encountered is the responsiveness in some of our pictures when changing the size of the page. We were able to solve it for some levels and pictures, but by not hard coding the width and height. However, they were still not responsive all the way. For example, level 2, as you lessen the size of the screen, it becomes a little less responsive than fully at 100%.
Testing, we tested our pages at full screen with 100% zoom, and everything looked okay. However, as we mentioned, it became a little less responsive as the screen gets smaller. We also inhibited the scroll, which doesn't allow us to see certain levels properties. And last but not least, each page is connected to the levels at a local level via the same folder located on the COD server.
So this is a little snip of our code, which is basically, I can't really see it. So it's just with the endings coming when it's selected, it was translate from the right side to the proper position. Under that is the intro. Is like when we at the ending, it will just post up the black screen. But for sometimes the animation is just not running, so I just do it like the target intro to make sure it just the animation is replaying.
So now we will run the demo.
So this is the home page, which is just showing the 3 options. Start game, which will just let you go to the first level, the credits, which is showing who is doing this, and a little bit description. Click on it. The project name, the members, and descriptions, and you can click back to move this back out. And there is also a level picking. When you click it, it will show the 3 levels we have. By clicking the corresponding levels, you will see you will go redirect to the page you want to go to.
Alrighty, now we can start the game.
So in the first level, we start with an introductory animation giving context to the story. In the next page, once it fades away, you are presented with a story plot, which then you are given a certain amount of choices that you can make. You can either attack or flee. Now, if you click attack, it will give you a quicker finish, but we'll go with flee this time. Which then brings you to 3 options to where you have been encircled by some goblins, to which you can either decide to fight, bribe, or distract them. If you click onto bribe, it will play an animation to which the goblins let you pass and continue upon your journey to the next level.
Alrighty, and so this is level 2, and like level 1, it has the black intro where it has the little storyline, and then for the second level, we run into the Minotaur, and you're given 2 options to either attack or sleep, like wait until, sorry, not sleep, wait until Astron falls asleep, and then sneak away. This we can do attack, and then it has been we use the attack option, the Minotaur disappears, and then we have defeated him, so then we can continue onto the journey onto the final level.
So with the final boss, we first come with the epic intro, which introduces you with the mighty dragon Fafnir. And then you will bring to the choices, which is just literally attacking it, or try to talk to it, or wait until the dragon sleep. If you pick the attacking the Fafnir, which is the dragon attack. Then you will be say you bravely charge to the Fafnir and the dragon roar on you and fire breathe on you. Then you will die. Click continue. And since it's the last level, it will literally just tell you what happened after you die or after you defeat the dragon. Like in here is you have been forgotten. If you try to talk to the Fafnir, you'll be seeing like two options. One is literally just surrender to it, saying, "Oh, mighty dragon, so as a true heir of power, grant me strength, and I shall be your servant forever and ever. Like grant you more with more drama of deeply despair or whatever." Or you can try to convince the dragon to come with you, join the adventure to serve on good side. Let's pick either one.
Okay.
So here we'll give you a result which is surrender to the dragon, and you together separate the darkness and fear further out to the land. And so our choice basically is just like that. It's a choice, option, and ending. Like I have created around 5 endings in total. And if you click the next, you will go to the conclusion page. Congratulations, you finished it.
Congratulations!
Congratulations.
At this page, you can just click return to the menu, so you can replay the game from start to the end.
Yep, and then
And
this,
let's
depending on
see.
your levels, you can come out with different outcomes every time,
Mhm.
or you can choose to go to a specific level of your choice. And that, I believe, is the end of our presentation and our game demo. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.